Hello, this is Morgan Kessler, City Engineer for the City of Oxnard, and this presentation has been developed for the Oxnard Public Works and Transportation Committee meeting scheduled for January 28th, 2025. This presentation accompanies item D7 on the agenda titled Multiple Agreements for On-Call Professional Architectural Design Services. Staff's recommendation is that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute the following agreements, each with an initial term of 2 years from February 19th, 2025 to February 18th, 2027, with an option for 3 consecutive one-year extensions ending February 18th, 2030 for on-call professional architectural services. Agreement 325-00354 with Black Dowd and Associates Incorporated doing business as BOA Architecture for an amount not to exceed $750,000. Agreement 325-00359 with Jeff B. Zook, a professional architectural corporation doing business as Coastal Architects for a total amount not to exceed $750,000. Agreement 325-00364 with Rosling Nakamura Terada Architects Incorporated for an amount not to exceed $750,000. And Agreement 325-00361 with Wallace Group, California Corporation, for a total amount not to exceed $750,000. Public Works makes use of on-call consulting firms to provide technical expertise to support the capital improvement program as well as smaller departmental projects. These technical consultants provide services that supplement city staff skills and experience, and having multiple on-call professional service agreements available reduces the time it takes to complete these projects because it takes less time for these professional services to be procured. Most of our present on-call agreements began expiring in December 2024, so it is necessary to resolicit and procure these on-call agreements. The services typically used under the architectural on-call agreements include general design services, including landscape design, development of master plans and conceptual designs, specification development for architectural plans, construction estimates, and preliminary studies. Some examples of previous services or previous projects performed by these services in the past have included the roof replacement for the Colonia Boxing Gym, work at the Oxnard Transit Center, design work at Oxnard Water Campus for the office remodel, and several others. On October 9th, 2024, the Purchasing Department released the request for proposal, the RFP PW 25-34 for on-call architectural services. Proposers had to have their proposals back by November 4th, 2024, and the city received a total of 11 proposals from possible vendors on this date. These 11 proposals were ranked by city staff, and these folks included the engineering division manager, 2 senior construction project managers, and the construction project manager. The proposals were ranked according to several criteria, including the company's general profile and their performance history, the qualifications of the proposed staff, the staff and the firm's relative experience, and an overall responsiveness to the conditions and terms of the RFP. Ultimately, 4 firms are recommended for award out of the 11, These are Black, O'Dowd and Associates, Jeff B. Zook, Rosling Nakamura Terada, and Wallace Group. Each agreement with these firms shall not exceed $750,000 per year. These agreements can be extended yearly for up to 3 years past the initial 2-year award. Work will be accomplished through these agreements by the project manager issuing task orders, each task order being an individual work requirement. The project manager will issue these tasks, and all 4 of the consultants will have an opportunity to propose on the task order if they so choose. Once the proposals are received, the project manager will evaluate each proposal to see which one best meets the needs of the city. And once the best proposal is selected, the purchasing department enters into a task order agreement with the consultant. Past the initial 2-year award, each one of the agreement extensions will be considered and requested during the annual budgeting process. That concludes my presentation. Staff will be available at the committee meeting to answer any questions. Thank you very much.